could be a stormy 4th of July for us in Colorado, especially in the mountains, but that threat for some widespread storms could include us here in the Denver area. I'm recording this on Saturday morning, June the 28th, so this is a good 6 days out, so just take this with a bit of a grain of salt. However, there's some pretty good signs that we're going to get a surge of monsoonal moisture. What is the monsoon? It's the reversal, the seasonal reversal of winds that draws up moisture from the south and the west. And this is our first pretty good surge of monsoon moisture. We'll start to see that in the mountains probably a little bit on Wednesday, but it looks like Thursday and Friday will be the main time frame. So if you're doing some camping for the 4th of July, it looks pretty dicey for Thursday and Friday. And I would say the further south you go, the stormier it will be, generally speaking, because usually the southern part of Colorado is a bit more stormy when it comes to the monsoon and these sorts of setups. So just keep in mind, it's a general look at things, but it does look pretty stormy for us. And then in the Denver area, it does look like we'll be dealing with at least some showers and storms during the afternoon on the 4th of July. Still a little TBD about just how widespread they are. It'll depend on a few things, but I would at least plan on storms on both Thursday, July the 3rd, and on the 4th itself. It does look like we'll be looking at least somewhat of a storm threat force across the Denver area, and the current look at things, my current hunch, is that's going to be pretty stormy for us across the Denver area on the 4th of July. Of course, as we get closer to it, more updates.